So we're making it out. This hat is casting a shadow over my eyes, but out on the bobber, this place is special to me because it is the last place that I ever rode with Mike before he passed away. This spot, I've been wanting to come here for a while. I wanted to come here for kind of like the 1 year of his passing, and I don't know, it's a little bit too meaningful. Today it was spontaneous. Just, I don't know, don't think about it, just come and enjoy. So that's what Bob and I are doing. But yeah, I have been wanting to do a ride for Mike. I have not been keeping up with it, was trying to plan it with his wife, and it just kind of became winter and we never got it done last year. So gonna aim to do it this year. My wife and I are building our school bus into our camper for full-time living starting in September. So we have a lot of work to do with that. Have been wanting to do lives, haven't done that. Been wanting to do this ride for Mike, haven't done that, and want to actually do meetups for my channel, and kind of tried it a couple times and didn't work out. So right now, falling off a log, but no. So Bob and I went to the North Beach Bikes and Breakfast. It's gonna now be the 5th Sunday of each month, which rarely happens. The next one will be in September, but I will be there. Look out for those. I'm going to try to make it to every North Beach ride, so that's kind of something that you can plan for in advance. You can see what month has the 5th Sunday and plan for that if you want to come hang out and just look at bikes with me. So a meetup ride will happen with us trying to be in the bus, needing to be in the bus by September. I'm now just going to do the meetup in October sometime. I'll let you guys know as soon as I do. And then the ride for Mike, need to figure all of that out. Took the pictures right over there, guys fishing, but you guys now seeing that photo, which is the last one. So yeah, super meaningful spot, super happy to finally be here, but yeah, I wish he was still here. I don't know, kind of lost for words at the moment. I had a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. Gonna be changing the seat on the bobber and finally getting the fork preload adjustment on there. Have videos that I need to get done. Like I said, want to do a live too, to just kind of run over my bike with you guys to actually explain what I did and why. So that will be coming. Just need to find time. Living with my mother-in-law, she has an in-home daycare, and filming at the house isn't necessarily as easy as it should be. So yeah, I don't know, everything's coming. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and also the road that we just rode in on and we're going to be riding out on, I vote, I think, the best neighborhood road in Maryland, like leading to a neighborhood, essentially like entrance exit neighborhood road. But let me know if you guys agree. I have another one which I actually found by accident, which I honestly may just go around one day and just see what tightest S-turns I can find are. So this will probably be all around me or within an hour, not Western Maryland, because that would be sweet to go to one day in the future. But rambling on, thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Until next time.